Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another beautiful recipe for you. It's a broccoli and couscous salad with smoked paprika. I think you're really going to like it. How does the recipe begin, you may ask? Well, it begins by cooking the couscous. So let's get started. We've got our couscous going into boiling water with a little olive oil. Where that couscous is stuck. Here we go. So we'll stir this into our boiling water. Couscous is really, really simple to cook. I'm going to turn it down to low, pop a lid on it, let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll come right back. The couscous is cooked. Look, there are many different types of couscouses in your store. Buy the one that you like and just cook it according to the directions. That's what I've done. I cooked ours for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's beautiful. Fluff it a little bit with the fork. Usually when I fluff my couscous or my rice, I add a little butter, which I've done again today. So the couscous is done. Warm, wonderful, delicious. Okay, for the rest of our salad, let's talk about one more component. The recipe calls for currants, okay? They can be difficult to find, and they are definitely expensive. So I'm gonna give you a little tip here, okay? Use raisins. Much less expensive, full of flavor, and they will make it for a perfect substitute. Okay, so our components are all finished, and by finished, I mean we've cooked our couscous and we've steamed or boiled our broccoli. Today we boiled our broccoli. I've got some flowerets here, fresh arugula. So I'm going to start in my large salad bowl with the arugula. There are going to be a lot of really nice flavors popping in this salad. Salads don't have to be boring. They can be, but they don't have to be. A little lemon zest, some lemon juice, everything's going in, so the order is really up to you. To that, I'm going to add the broccoli, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a little toss right here. Don't want to tear everything up. Man, these helping hands are so wonderful. When you're making a salad, this is a great tool. If you don't have some, there are all sorts of different models of little wooden handles out there, and they're really great. Okay, so my arugula, my broccoli, my lemon zest, my lemon juice. To that, I'm going to add the smoked paprika. Beautiful. Wonderful. Looks so good. Pine nuts. Fresh garlic that I minced, okay? They make garlics out there that are in a jar. This is where I'm going to be discerning and say, use fresh. It's not difficult. Okay, raisins. Again, one more toss. Try not to tear it up. Just get everything sort of incorporated. And to that, that's beautiful already. I would eat that just the way it is. To that, we will add our couscous. And I'm going to use a wooden spoon. Couscous is really warm and delicious. So the time to eat this would be immediately. What a beautiful, beautiful salad. Unexpected, different, definitely not boring. Really, really pretty. I can smell the juice of the lemon in there. Gorgeous. A little more pop of green right there on the side. A little bit of coarse salt. A little fresh pepper. That's a really nice looking salad. Now, if you wanted to, for some color, you could add some sliced strawberries on the side, or, gosh, I mean, salads, or you can do what you like. That's going outside of what the recipe calls for. But if you wanted a little color on there, you could definitely add it. So good. The warm couscous mixed with the arugula, the flavor of the lemon juice coming through, the pine nuts and the raisins, the broccoli. This is a great combination of flavors. It's not your everyday salad, and I think that your friends and guests and family will really like it. Voila.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.